look at momentum in games and think, wow, this feels great and looks super cool, I should add it to my game. Well, look no further because I got you covered. I'll be explaining how you can add sprinting to a side-scrolling Godot 4 game that has a progressive speed build-up. To start off, you'll want to make sure you have the following things. First, go to the project settings, then input map, and then make sure you have the inputs for going left and right and a sprint key. Second, make sure you have a map you can walk on with a physics layer and collision for both the map and your playable character. Third, make sure you have code on your character that at least includes moving left and right and gravity. If you don't have movement code yet, just use mine here, which I would recommend either way. Now, moving on to the code itself. First, add the following variables, momentum and momentum timer. Make sure it's a float variable instead of an int variable. Next, the actual code. You want to write down the following underneath the var directions section if you're using my code. Type the following in the way shown in the picture. This is for the input. This is so you can't increase momentum while staying still. This makes the variable build up at a specific rate. This is the rate of growth and the maximum the variable can be, and these two reset everything after you let go of your sprint button. Then, you want to add times momentum after speed in the movement section. Now, if we test out the project, you can see that when you hold shift or whatever key you set the sprint to, your speed progressively builds until it reaches a maximum. If you want to edit how fast your speed builds or the rate your speed increases, the first number in the momentum equals min line represents the momentum build-up rate, and the second number represents the maximum. And there you have it! Your character now has momentum-based sprinting. If you have more questions or need to troubleshoot, let me know down in the comments. And make sure to subscribe so you can be notified when I release updates about the current game I'm working on. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!